Trig is an ambitious company with a lot of growth plans with some exciting product ideas in aviation technology. It involves all aspects of electronics, software and digital design to deliver safety and navigation systems for aircraft.
We're a small company who are recognised throughout the world.
No 2 days are ever the same. It's so dynamic, so many things going on, so much to learn.
The people here are great. They're fun, intelligent, creative.
There's so much opportunity. We've got lots of great product ideas, lots of ways that we can help our customers. The way we're going to achieve that is through our people, and therefore we work hard to make sure that we develop and bring them on to help the growth of the company.
The beauty of the way we work at Trig, you're exposed to a wide variety of engineering disciplines throughout product development and manufacturing.
Trig has given me a huge amount of valuable experience since I started working. Through the mentoring I've received, I feel like I've been able to learn from some of the best engineers in the industry, and it's very rewarding to be able to pass that on.
Trig is a fast-moving, fast-growing and very friendly company to work for. There's a lot of opportunity to build a career. The most enjoyable part is being a really valued member of the team and feeling like you really are making a difference.
What I find most satisfying is that we see the product from concept through design all the way to manufacturing.
Working for Trig, you can expect to be given responsibility, but with that responsibility you're supported all the way through it, and at the end of that, once you've reached your goal, there's an immense sense of satisfaction. It's just a great environment to work in.
What attracts me to Trig is that underlying love for aviation that runs through the whole company.
Trig is growing, we're friendly, and we've achieved a global reputation.
There's not many people in the UK working in this kind of sector, so if this is something that excites you and you want to get into this kind of technology and these kinds of applications, then Trig's the place to be. Plus, you get to play with aeroplanes. What more could you want?